Honorable Supreme Court has rolled out a new digital tool called Verdict Finder. The portal, based on Elasticsearch technology, will allow citizens, lawyers, and researchers to locate any Supreme Court judgment or order reportable or not within seconds. The circular regarding this has been released on 26 September 2025. As you can see from the circular, the link to the finder is https://verdictfinder.sci.gov.in. The portal can also be accessed through official website https://sci.gov.in under the e-services navigation bar on the top and via the Explore and Connect section on the home page.